Gas-safe engineers frequently asked questions. What do we need to do before you arrive?
Basically, we need you to use the water in the house, as when we get there we'll be turning the stop tap off, so if you need a shower or the bathroom, if you can turn that off before we arrive. Also move anything from in front of your boiler, anything from in front of your airing cupboard, and anything in front of the radiators if we're changing the thermostatic radiator valves. And that's about all we need before we get there.
Will you need to visit the property after the initial survey before the install?
On a combi for combi swap, there would be no need for us to visit your property, but if you want to upgrade to a conversion, which is having the old boiler, cylinder and tanks took out for a combi, we will need to call out to your property to do a quick survey to check that everything can fit in the correct place.
Is there a contribution for a conversion?
When a conversion is done, an old boiler taken out and a combi fitted, there will normally be a contribution from the customer. This will differ to each property, which we will let you know after the survey.
Why do I have to pay a contribution?
So a combi swap would normally take us between 4 and 5 hours. If we do a conversion, you will have 2 engineers for a full day, taking anything from 8 to 12 hours, which is the reason that a contribution is normally required, as there's much more labour and also more materials.
Which boiler will I get as a replacement?
So under the Eco scheme, the boiler that we offer is the Ideal Logic. You do have the option of upgrading to a Worcester Bosch boiler. There's sometimes a small contribution depending on the size and funding available for your property.
Do I get a warranty?
Upon completion of the job, you will receive your boiler manufacturer warranty and also your building regs gas safe certificate about a week after the job is complete.
There is no contribution for a like-for-like boiler, i.e. system or combi. If applicable, contribution would be payable 24 hours before the boiler installation. You will need to register your boiler with the manufacturer once installed to activate your 2-year warranty. Any missing thermostatic radiator valves will be replaced.